Hello, children. Today, let's learn a few things about Republic Day. Shall we? Let's start. Do you know what day we celebrate on 26th January every year? Yes, it's Republic Day. What is the meaning of republic? Republic. In a country that is a republic, the representatives of the government are elected by the public, that is, the people of the country. Do you remember both Mummy and Papa went to vote during the elections? Now, do you know what happened on 26th January 1950? On this day, in the year 1950, India was declared a republic. This means that our country was no longer governed by the rules of some other country. Now, why do we celebrate Republic Day? Good question. The Constitution of India came into effect on this day. What is a constitution? Constitution is the supreme law of the country. It is a set of rules and regulations that the government should follow. It also states the rights and duties of the citizens of India. Now, who wrote the Constitution of India? Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. He is also called the father of the Indian Constitution. Now, is Republic Day a festival? Yes, Republic Day is a national festival. Is it like Holi and Diwali? Those are festivals too. No, Holi, Diwali, Raksha Bandhan are all religious festivals. These are celebrated in specific regions of the country. But we celebrate national festivals all across the country. All the schools, offices, colleges remain closed on national festivals. Do you know how many national festivals are celebrated in India? India celebrates 3 national festivals: Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. How do we celebrate Republic Day? That's a very important question. Republic Day is celebrated throughout the country with great enthusiasm. Flags are hoisted and children parade in schools and colleges in different parts of the country. The grandest and the most important flag hoisting ceremony takes place in Rajpath, New Delhi. The President of India hoists the national flag and everyone sings the national anthem. Magnificent parades are organized by regiments of the Indian Army, Navy, Air Force, Police, and paramilitary forces. Even school children take part in the parade. All the states of India showcase their culture and uniqueness by building beautiful tableaux during the parade. Awards are given to brave soldiers and civilians to honor their contribution in protecting and building the nation. The Indian Air Force puts up a magnificent air show. Why do we stand still when we sing National Anthem of India? We stand still to pay our respect to all the people who sacrificed their lives for a free and independent India. But we hoist the national flag on Independence Day too, and we sing the national anthem too. What is the difference between Independence Day and Republic Day? I am confused. On Independence Day, we celebrate our freedom history. Do you know we fought for independence from the Britishers for almost 200 years? But it took us almost 2 years to properly write the Constitution of India. Republic Day is a celebration of a promising and a bright future of the country. Jai Hind!